Coriander-Crusted chicken with crispy chickpeas and pomegranate. For this recipe, you will need 2 large chicken breasts or chicken thighs, a can of chickpeas, a third of a pomegranate, some fresh lemons, olive oil, coriander, black pepper, cumin, sesame seeds, salt, and fresh mint. The first step is to toast the coriander, black pepper, and cumin seeds in a small dry skillet over medium-high heat. This will take about 2 minutes. You want to toast them just until they're quite fragrant, and then transfer the spices to a spice grinder or a mortar and pestle. I like grinding them by hand using a mortar and pestle because I get to experience the full aroma of grinding the spices. You want them to be medium to coarsely ground. After grinding, add the sesame seeds. Place the chicken breasts on a baking sheet lined with foil or parchment paper and drizzle with a little olive oil, turning to coat the chicken on both sides in the oil, and then season lightly with salt. Sprinkle the spice mixture over the chicken breasts and then press gently with your hands so that it adheres to the chicken. You may not use all of the spice mixture. Scatter the chickpeas around the chicken and then drizzle lightly with olive oil and season with salt. Give everything a good stir and then transfer the sheet pan to a 425-degree oven for 20 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Squeeze the juice of the lemons over the chicken and the chickpeas, and then scatter with the pomegranate orals and the fresh mint. I ate this over riced cauliflower that I cooked according to the package directions, and it was delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.